On December 3rd, 2021, Bitcoin started a drop right here from 57,500 all the way down to about 41,500 on this exchange and then bounced nicely. Okay, that took just about all day. It was 20 hours down and then the bounce. And then for the next month, it traded sideways. And so did Litecoin in a very tight range from about 142 to 168, 170 or so. And as you can see, they are at very close to the low end of the range where all of this support is. Every time it has come down here, it has bounced up. Okay, but the question is it going to break below support this time and set new lows? Right now, Bitcoin is very close to that point. The low today is at the lows here, here, and here. Okay, if it goes down below that, there's a real good chance that this market is going to fall. Here is a double top chart pattern shaped like an M, and when it breaks below and closes below the close on this day right here at 45,711, I'm pretty sure we're going to see some more downside. The daily chart also looking pretty grim from the high on November the 10th. It was at 69,081. So from mid-November, it's been pretty grim here. And when Bitcoin closes below this close here, or especially the lower one here, at a price of 46,156, we could see a pretty serious move to the downside. Same thing with Litecoin, since its chart moves fairly similar to Bitcoin's, especially on the shorter time frames. But all the indicators are pointing down. The CCI is down. When it crosses down through minus 100, that's when bad things happen. If you're a bull, like right here, CCI down through minus 100, and it goes down from here pretty much for quite a while. Here's another cross down through minus 100. It is at minus 92.76 right now. Litecoin's a little bit better at minus 68.63. This level of support, here, all of this is all support. Will it go down and test this low right here at about 130? Will Bitcoin go down to test this low? Now, on each exchange, this drop is a little bit different, but 41,005 or so. Easily. Volume diminishing. That usually calls for more down. Volume diminishing since November. On ETH, it's pretty much the same thing. ETH also minus 92.54. Down ticking, looking pretty weak here on the daily chart. The 7 moving averages cross down through the 20. They're both down ticking. The 7 is below the middle Bollinger Band here. It looks pretty bearish. Looks ready to break below support and crash. Now, luckily, I found a trading bot that will let me play and make money while the market goes down. And you can play a number of different coins, Litecoin, Ethereum, some altcoins. That's Pionex. It is the margin grid bot, and I will get into that shortly because if this market breaks down, I will be using that bot. I'm a bull. I mine Litecoin. I mine Ethereum. And when they go down, so do my profits. And I really want this market to go up. I always want it to go up. And it's been a tough year. You know, I was making $20 a day mining ETH for the last few months, and now it's down to $15 a day. I was also making $20 a day mining Litecoin, and it's also down to $15 a day because the price of the coins are going down, among other reasons. I'm just letting you all know that I see a danger zone here, and if you are long and in big, hoping it will go up, you need to be aware that this market is setting up for a dump. If Ethereum closes below the close this day at 36.28 and 70 cents, that is also going to be very bearish for Ethereum. So Bitcoin needs to hold. I believe this is the lowest close in this area. Bitcoin closed at 46,156. Right now it's below that by $40.